In fact, the 8-inch spread actually don't apply too much anymore because that was back in the days when they were using 2 handles and 3 handle turbine shower valves. And in some cases with the older ones, they even had 11-inch spread. So now that one's as far as it'll go. So the only thing I can come up with is I did cut that piece a little longer than I needed to. And what I'm going to do here now is just cut some random pieces. This shower is not going to be hooked up to anything. This is just for demonstration purposes. And I will not be taking the sharkbite fittings back to the store, if that's what you're thinking. No, because I can use it for another project down the road sometime. See, that was supposed to be an 8-inch spread, and it actually came up to about 8.5 inch. Now, a lot of homes that are on slabs, especially down here in the southern part of the country, the hot and cold water lines coming out from the tub and shower valve are usually going to go up or down. But if you're up further, the Midwest, up north, whatever like that, in most cases, the tub and shower valve, the hot and cold lines are going to actually go down, because most cases up there, you're going to have basements. And the good thing about the sharkbite fittings, we can just swing it up or down either way we want to swing it. And one thing I would like to mention is sharkbite fittings. Some municipalities in some areas in some parts of the country, they don't allow sharkbite fittings, and some places they do. A lot of inspectors would recommend, if you are going to use sharkbites, that they are in an area that a person or anyone can get access to in case there is an issue with the sharkbite fittings. So if you are going to build something like this and put it into your new tub and shower enclosure, I'd recommend putting a on the backside. Usually there's a closet or a wall, hopefully, and in that closet you can put a large access door to get to this stuff. Just something to think about. Okay, now this tub and shower valve is complete. It's all put together with sharkbite fittings. So we're going to take it from here, and tomorrow I will build a small frame for it, just a display frame, so that I can actually, show you how it would stand. And right now I'm just kind of putting it together here so that give you an actual view of what it would take to put this together once you do get it into the wall, and we'll take it back apart again. This is just for visual purposes. Nope, I'm not following directions. But you can see the tub spout and the escutcheon for the tub and shower valve. You can see the distance that we have enough to get the shower escutcheon on, and also to screw on the tub and shower spout, the spout for the water in the tub. I know that some of this stuff that I am doing here may seem to be very simple, but you would be surprised of the people out there that it may not be simple to, and catch their attention on something they may have missed. I say that to say this: I would be considered one of those people. I am the type of person that would like to catch and see as much as I can. I know you're out there, and I hope that I can help you. You know, one thing about the Delta tub and shower valve, I mean, like I said, Delta's a good product. I've just been installing mowing most of my life. Right now, this handle throws me off. It doesn't seem to turn as far, but actually that's how Delta works. That's how their tub and shower faucet handle works. Mowing, on the other hand, seems that you have a little more rotation on it. Okay, so I propped it up for now to give you an idea of what it looks like from a little distance here. And like I said, tomorrow we will come back and we'll build a little frame for this, a little display frame. Alright, it's Friday and I just got off work, got home as fast as I could so that I can get started and build this frame before nighttime hit me. I'm outside working in the yard. So this is going to be the frame for the tub and shower valve. And I'm on call, so I'm going to have to work fast in case they call me in.